This is the second part of the video, that is the data logger. Here I am showing you the SD card module. Place. This is the SD card module, and the jumpers you are seeing here, it is also part of the module. This is the complete part. This and this and this one, okay? And then the SD card module interfacing with the Arduino board. The controller we are use is this is Atmega 328, and now the 4 wires are necessary to interface the Arduino SD card module with the Arduino board, and the 4 pins are first pin of the these jumpers are used when we are using the 5-volt logic level, and when we will remove them, and then we will use the connection from here, and this is used for the 3.3 volt logic level. The 4 pins, that is the CS, DI, DO and the SCK pins are used. CS pin, that is the chip select pin of the SD card module, is connected to the Arduino pin slave select pin. Then the DI pin is connected to the MOSI pin, then DO connected to the MISO pin, and SCK pin is connected to the serial clock. The connections are made through these the 4 single strand wires, and the kit is connected to the LAPI using A to B cable. And now I am showing you the data that is already present on the SD card. The SD card is present in this phone. Now connect to the phone. Now this is wait, I want to zoom. Yeah, no, this is the memory card, and this is the various files present here. Like you can see that there is no any txt file here present. One is present, that is E11 or E10, something like that. The file we want to create, that we will write of the SD card is of name demo. Now please put the memory card off from the mobile. So he is taking the memory card out from the SD card. No, he is going to put it in the SD card module. Yeah, no, it has been inserted. Please plug in the A to B cable into the LAPI. Yeah, as you shown that here the LED that is glowing, it's for 3.3 volt logic level, and another LED you are seeing that is for 5 volt logic level. The blinking LEDs you can see, that is we are uploading the program to the Arduino board. Some problem is actually the initialization is failed due to some reason. Now as we will show all the files we will write into the SD card, that will also shown into the serial monitor. The format of the data that will be right on the SD card to have ensure that all things are right into the SD card. Now the file name I am showing to you, this is a demo.txt, sd.open demo.txt, and then I open it into the file write mode. If the file is already existed, then the controller will open it and if it doesn't exist, then firstly it will create and then open for the writing process. Now I am opening the serial monitor. As you can see that the card has been initialized. It got the 3 entries: name, account number and the token number. Now everything that I will type from the keyboard for the database, that will be the entered into the serial monitor also, and also into the SD card. Now I have write the name SD card. Now please insert. Upon have I enter, I got it in under the column name, that is Amanjot. Now worker is typing the account number, now as you can see, and then he is displaying the token number. The token number that is showing here will also be displayed on the master LCD display located into the sitting area. Now he is taking the entry of the second person after the completion of transaction of first person. Now the account number of the second person. Yeah, please enter. And now please enter the token number of second person. Now for the demo purpose we have taken only the 2 entries. Now I have in the code I have pressed the star to close the file. The file needs to be closed before any other process to have ensuring that our data will be saved. Please enter. Now the file has been closed and we will close the serial monitor. All the right things that we have seen on the serial monitor will also be on written in SD card. Now SD card is going to be inserted into the mobile phone. Select करना हो गया, switch off on the phone. Now connect it using USB to the lapish. The phone has been opened using USB. Please open my computer to see the file that has been stored. My computer, yes, open it. Now open the memory card, remove disk. Now as you can see the various files wait, I am looking for demo folder. Yeah, here is the text file, that is demo, as you can see the name. Now open it. Now here is the content that we have saved into the memory card. For the demo purpose, as I told earlier, that we take only 2 entries. And thank you. Video made by both us. The project by Aman and Amanjot.